Vlogging in 2026 is no longer just about pointing and shooting. It's about the quality that stops the scroll. While smartphones have come a long way, they still can't compete with the depth, color, and stabilization of a dedicated sensor. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 vlogging cameras dominating the US market right now. We'll look at resolutions, low-light performance, and which one actually fits your creative style. Let's get into it. Number 5. GoPro Hero 14. Kicking things off with a beast built for the elements, the GoPro Hero 14. If your vlogs are high energy or outdoor focused, this is your ultimate weapon. While most cameras stop at 4K, this monster records in a massive 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. This means your footage is incredibly sharp, whether it's viewed on a phone or a giant 8K screen. The hyper-smooth 7.0 stabilization is so advanced that you can mountain bike or run, and the video stays level as if you were on a professional rail. It's waterproof, indestructible, and ready for any adventure you throw at it. Number 4. Canon Powershot V10. Next up, we have a camera designed for the creator who hates carrying a heavy bag, the Canon Powershot V10. Don't let its small size fool you. This pocket-sized tool records in beautiful 4K UHD. It's specifically engineered for the vertical era, making it the perfect choice for TikTok and Reels. Its 1-inch sensor provides a much cleaner image than standard HD cameras, especially in tricky lighting. The best part? It has a built-in kickstand. Just set it down on a cafe table, hit record, and you're instantly in business with that classic Canon color science. Number 3. Sony ZV-12. Moving on to a name that every seasoned creator knows, the Sony ZV-12. This is the go-to choice for those who want a professional 4K outcome with zero hassle. It features an 18 to 50mm wide-angle lens, ensuring your face isn't cropped out when you're talking to the camera. The autofocus is arguably the fastest in the world, and with its dedicated product showcase mode, it snaps focus between you and an object instantly. If you need a reliable 4K workhorse that fits in your jacket pocket, number 2, this is the gold standard, Sony ZV-10 II. If you want your vlogs to look like a high-budget movie, the Sony ZV-10 II is where the magic happens. This camera steps things up by recording in 4K at 60p with 10-bit color depth. What does that mean for you? It means you have the power to color grade your footage to look exactly like a cinema film. Unlike the others, this features an interchangeable lens system. You can swap lenses to get that creamy, blurry background known as bokeh, which is impossible to achieve naturally on standard HD cameras or phones. It's a pro cinema rig in a compact body. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And finally, sitting at the top spot, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Seriously, this camera feels like a cheat code. It records in stunning 4K at 120 FPS, allowing you to create butter-smooth slow-motion shots that look incredible. But the real winner is the hardware. It doesn't use software tricks for stabilization. It has a real 3-axis mechanical gimbal that physically moves to keep you steady. The 1-inch sensor is the Night King, delivering noise-free 4K footage even in low light. With the rotatable OLED screen, it is the most powerful and portable vlogging tool of 2026. Period. So which one are you adding to your kit? Whether it's the rugged GoPro or the cinematic Sony, every camera on this list is a winner. I've put the Amazon US links in the description so you can check out the latest deals and bundles. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Sony or Team DJI? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.